Alright, let's look at the date and time 2025. We're at Mitchell Gold & Bob Williams yet again, at the King of Prussia Mall in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. And you remember this elevator, don't you? I decided to come back and do a retape because this store first opened as Mitchell Gold & Bob Williams, then the whole chain became defunct in 2023, reopened as VIP Fashion soon after, and I think last year, this VIP Fashion has relocated to Layla's Boutique. And if I remember correctly, Pottery Barn was originally located in the Plaza section on the first floor, right next to Zara. Then in August 2025, it has since been relocated to this space, last occupied by VIP Fashion. So it's very nice seeing a Pottery Barn store going from single level to double level, which is one of those rare cases to find in a shopping mall like this. And of course we all know this is a Schindler 3300 with FIGL 100 fixtures. And yeah, these are the same fixtures that are featured at the now former Essex Forever stores at Quaker Bridge Mall and Hamilton Mall. Alright, we're going to take this to the upper level. Door close works, I like that. Here you will. Boy, I'm so glad to see this elevator is still original. The only thing that's been added on are the elevator signs on both levels. I do like that font on the elevator sign. Now take it down to main level. And the door closes when we push button. I like that too. Here at ML. Now we're going to let the doors close and get a cat view. Wow, I'm so glad that this elevator is still here right after VIP Fashion closed. Well, it didn't just close, it relocated to the former Layla's Boutique. And that explains why there's sure a lot of store hopscotching in this mall. Got your FIGL 100 fixtures. And like I said, this is very similar to REI at King of Prussia Town Center, except different flooring. 35 firm pound capacity. And we'll take this for one more round trip. Let's do more this time. Here we go. And once it stops, both the down arrows light up at the same time. I guess at first someone might have already caught it, but once the doors are closed, it doesn't go anywhere. Which is very weird. Anyway, let's go back down to main level. And here we're back down the main level.
What's that? Oh.
I'm sorry about that. That was just a Pottery Barn employee wondering what I was doing. I wish I could explain to her what I was doing, but she didn't listen. Anyway, I'm very glad to see this elevator is still original. The next time I film this elevator, I'll have to bring one of my friends from Best Buddies. I bet he or she would love this elevator as much as YouTube user American Trains and Elevators. Anyway, let's exit the elevator here. Again, very nice elevator sign. And there it goes. And that will be it. We're always posting some fun and exciting elevator content, so click above to subscribe now.